In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 8K quality on Capcut using your iPhone. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that Capcut on iPhone currently supports up to 4K resolution. So, if you're keen on exporting in 8K, you might need to switch to a PC version with appropriate hardware, but for iPhone users, let's maximize the quality we can achieve. First, let's start by launching the Capcut app on your iPhone. Once you're in, you'll want to tap on New Project. This is your starting point where you'll begin assembling and editing your video. It's a user-friendly interface, so you'll find the option right on the main screen. Next, you'll import your high-resolution video clips. Ideally, these should be in 4K or higher to maintain a higher quality throughout the editing process. Simply tap the clips you want and they'll be added to your timeline, ready for editing. Once your clips are in place, look for the drop down beside Export located at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll access and adjust your video settings. Tap to expand this menu. It's straightforward and easy to navigate. One of the first settings you'll need to adjust is the resolution. Set this to 4K, which is the maximum supported resolution on an iPhone using Capcut. This ensures that you're getting the highest possible quality from the app, keeping your visuals crisp and detailed. Additionally, adjust the frame rate to 60 FPS. A frame rate of 60 frames per second provides smoother motion and is especially beneficial for any action-packed sequences or fast-moving visuals in your video. It keeps the motion fluid and enhances the viewing experience significantly. Now, there's another critical step to ensure the colors in your video remain true to life. You'll want to toggle off Smart HDR. Although HDR can enhance colors and contrast, sometimes it may cause inconsistencies or distortions, particularly if the original footage wasn't shot in HDR format. So, toggling it off can prevent unwanted color shifts in your final output. Once all these settings are finally tuned, it's time to complete the process. Simply tap on Export to save the video. The app will process your settings, and in a short time your high quality video will be ready to share or enjoy. And there you have it, achieving the best possible quality on Capcut using your iPhone. Even though 8K might not be directly possible on this platform, following these steps will ensure your video looks stunning at 4K resolution. Remember, the key is to start with high resolution footage and carefully adjust the available settings for optimal results.